I'm cooking some pasta tonight, but instead of using beef for meatballs, I'm actually going to use these chicken sliders by Circle C Farms. Look how good that looks, guys. So I figured I'll just show you guys how I would make these meatballs just a little bit smaller, and then just show you how I like present my pasta.